Ideogram now lets you generate consistent characters quickly and easily. When you're on the front page, you'll see an icon labeled character. Go ahead and click on that. Now to bring in the image of your character, you can either just press upload and find your file, or you can just drag and drop. And I'm going to be using this woman as my consistent character. From here, you can describe what you want your character to be doing, where they should be, and what they should be wearing. Or you can choose from the various templates we have by clicking on the template button, which will open a window with several options to choose from. Once you've chosen one, it will enter the prompt automatically for you. When you're ready to go ahead and generate. As you can see, we have the same person in different outfits and environments. You can also do face replacement very easily too. You can head into Canvas and upload your own image, use one of your previous creations, or do what I did and grab one from the Explore page. From here, we can use the Magic Fill tool and select the area of the face and press Next. Then click on this character button and either use the character you've already used before or upload a new character. Once you've done that, go ahead and enter your prompt and click Magic Fill. Now you should see the new face replace the original. As you can see, we've provided plenty of options to help you create consistent characters. And this is just the beginning. We got more features coming very soon, so stay tuned.